Hello everyone, I am Kathleen Iber Valencia Castañeda from the collaborative group 226 of the English B1 Plus course at UNAD University. I am 40 years old. I am born in Toronto, Canada. I live in Bello, Antioquia. Today, I tell you 5 steps to improve the way you listen to English. Part 1 or steps 1, relax. By relaxing and focusing at 100% on when you are listening to, you have the best opportunity to understand. Part 2, don't try to translate. When you are listening to spoken English, just listen. Do nothing else. Don't try to translate things. Don't worry about the word you don't know. Don't think about things you didn't hear. Just listen. Part 3. Use context to help you understand. Understanding doesn't just depend on listening. You can use body language, tone of voice, context, and facial expression to help you understand what it means. Part 4. Practice it with different situations and voices. Listen to as many different voices as possible. Don't limit yourself. Listen to different types of English too. Listen to different formats and sources as possible. Part 5 or step 5. Make a study plan. You need a practical plan to work on your listening English. Do it daily and do something different every day. You don't need much time, with only 15 to 20 minutes a day. Listen to different sources and different voices. I will name 2 situations they tell about at the beginning of the video. The first situation occurs when you are listening to an English teacher speaking British English, speaking slowly and clearly. It is easy or difficult. The second situation occurs when you are on a train and they are for non-native inhabitants from 4 different countries talking to each other. They have different accents. Do you think you could understand their conversation? Will it depend on where they were? Much depend on you and your experiences. In this video, there is an audio in Portuguese. Nothing is understood, but that is not a problem. The 2 rules for step 5 are: first, do something every day. Second, do something different every day. The lesson plan they propose for a week is: Monday, listen to 1, 2 songs 2 or 3 times each. Tuesday, listen to a podcast with American voices. Wednesday, watch 15 minutes of a TV show from the UK. Tuesday, do your listening exercise from a textbook. Friday, watch 15 minutes of a new show. Saturday, watch 15 minutes on an old movie. Sunday, call a friend and spend 5 or 15 minutes speaking in English. I will propose a very similar type of class, but with a teacher continuously advising and making recommendations of what will be done day by day. Make your plan at the beginning of the week. Write it down and put it in visible place. Think about what time the day you should do your English practice. When your brain is relaxed. After doing your listening practice, cross it off the plan so we'll see the progress day by day. How to gain material to practice English? Go to Google on your search engine that you prefer. And there are many things on the internet and for free. You must choose your own listening materials.